Best window cleaners. Automatic window cleaners have revolutionized home maintenance by offering a hands-free solution to one of the most tedious chores, cleaning windows. These devices are particularly valuable for individuals with large glass surfaces. Listman. Ecovacs Winbot Mini Window Cleaning Robot. Compact design. The Ecovacs Winbot Mini is a compact and feature-rich window cleaning robot designed for users who prioritize intelligent cleaning and safety. At $339.99, it features dual nozzles with ultrasonic spray, a 9-stage protection system, intelligent path planning, and 3 cleaning modes. Its anti-slipping system ensures secure operation on glass surfaces, making it suitable for large windows and mirrors. During testing, the Winbot Mini demonstrated impressive cleaning efficiency, particularly on moderately dirty windows. Its intelligent path planning allowed it to navigate glass surfaces effectively without missing spots. However, its compact design limits its cleaning speed on larger windows, and the ultrasonic spray system occasionally required manual refilling. The anti-slipping system worked flawlessly, providing peace of mind during operation, but the noise level was slightly higher than expected for it. List 2. Ecovacs Winbot W2 Pro OMNI Portable Window Cleaning Robot with Multifunctional Station. The Ecovacs Winbot W2 Pro is the premium offering in this comparison, priced at $499.98. It boasts cutting-edge features such as a multifunctional station, triple nozzle water sprayer, 12-level protection system, and the ability to charge while working. This model is designed for users seeking high performance and convenience, particularly for large-scale cleaning tasks. In our tests, the Winbot W2 Pro delivered exceptional results. Its triple nozzle system provided even water distribution for streak-free cleaning, and the 12-level protection system ensured safe operation even on high-rise windows. The multifunctional station streamlined charging and maintenance, making it ideal for frequent use. However, its high price point may deter budget-conscious buyers, and its larger size made storage slightly challenging. List number 3. Toshiba W2 Window Cleaner Robot. The Toshiba W2 is an affordable mid-range option priced at $108.29. It features intelligent path planning, 3,800 pass suction power, edge detection technology, and remote control functionality. Its sleek white design makes it visually appealing, and it is suitable for small to medium-sized windows. The Toshiba W2 performed admirably during testing, with its 3,800 pass suction power ensuring secure attachment to glass surfaces. The edge detection technology worked reliably, preventing falls and ensuring thorough cleaning. However, its cleaning efficiency on heavily soiled windows was less impressive, and the remote control lacked responsiveness at times. Despite these minor drawbacks, it remains a solid choice for budget-conscious buyers seeking reliable performance. List 4. Window Cleaning Robot with Auto Water Spray. The Agore VO window cleaning robot is the most affordable option in this comparison. Priced at $79.99. It offers features such as automatic water spray, smart navigation, and a triple safety system. Despite its low price, it includes advanced technologies like brushless DC motors and ultrasonic atomizers for effective cleaning. During testing, the Agore VO robot impressed with its smart navigation and versatility across various surfaces, including tiles and mirrors. Its automatic water spray system worked well for light to moderate dirt, though it struggled with stubborn stains. The brushless DC motor provided quiet operation and energy efficiency, but its battery life of 25 minutes limited its usability for larger cleaning tasks. List 5. Automatic Window Cleaning Robot. The Anento Automatic Window Cleaning Robot, priced at $149.99, offers dual spray functionality, AI path planning, 3,000 PA suction power, and triple safety systems. Its high-quality microfiber pads and edge detection technology ensure streak-free cleaning, making it suitable for users seeking a balance between performance and affordability. In our tests, the Anento robot excelled in cleaning efficiency, particularly on large windows. The dual spray system and microfiber pads effectively remove dirt and smudges, leaving a polished finish. However, its suction power of 3000 PA was slightly weaker than expected for windows with uneven surfaces, and the UPS power storage system only lasted 30 minutes during outages. Overall, it is a reliable mid-range option for most households.